favorite people, it's been a while. So recently we had to shift to a new apartment. By recently I mean 2 दिन पहले. And thankfully we've just moved to the opposite apartment. जहाँ हम रह रहे थे ना उसके बिल्कुल opposite वाले घर पे move किया. So like you open the door and that's our ex apartment. This is our present apartment. Anyway तो हमारा mostly shifting का majority काम हो चुका है. तो आज हम ना कुछ कार्टन्स खाली कर रहे थे. जो कार्टन्स पड़े हुए थे बहुत दिनों से. वी थॉट यार थोड़ा सा स्पेस बच जाएगा इफ़ वी एम्प्टी इट आउट. वी फाउंड टुक टुक और मेरे एकदम बचपन के खिलौने. लाइक एकदम बचपन के खिलौने. जस्ट टू पुट इट इन पर्सपेक्टिव मैं कितने बचपन की बात कर रही हूँ. दो वाली थोड़े और बड़े स्टेज का भी मोस्ट प्रॉबेबली है. यू वांट टू सी? ओके लेट्स सी.
This apparently used to be on your bed.
अरे इट्स सो वियर्ड. लाइक आई मस्ट बी सम मंथ्स ओल्ड. लेकिन मेरे को ये याद है. आई हैव
मतलब यहाँ से ऐसे चाबी टाइप का था. हम आते थे and this used to
spin.
Yeah.
Oh man.
I don't obviously remember because I wasn't existing.
Oh.
Okay, I don't know if you remember, but we found these in our McDonald's Happy Meals.
Oh my god. Yeah. Ninja Turtles. This one's doing oblique workouts. Show oblique workouts. Damn son. So we are just unpacking and we can see the number of Barbie dolls we have.
And dress case.
Dress case. We have every room. Our parents bought us every possible Barbie set they could probably find.
And I found this Barbie जिसका hangover अभी तक उतरा नहीं है.
Here's some presently ujde chaman Barbie dolls.
I was a more Hot Wheels kid. You were a more Barbie kid. Where did all the girliness go when you grew up, bro?
Ooh, that rhymed.
We had hangers for Barbie clothes. What? Okay, what is this? Okay.
This is the living room. No, this is the kitchen basin.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
The green color towel with pink shower. What?
Ooh, fancy. Our Barbie dolls were living in more luxury than us, bro.
Okay, so this is the final Barbie.
Oh my god, please give me. Oh no, girl. You have to learn makeup, girl. Foundation matching. Oh no, what is this? खोए हुए जूते.
Oh.
खोया हुआ जूता part 2.
Also,
Broken sofa amends.
yes. Self where each the book sale.
Damn. She got
somewhere.
books.
Some container which used to be here in the kitchen.
Okay. Hold on a second. Barbie was into bhujia? Dhumta na 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 dhumta na 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 dhumta na 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 na.
This is something. I don't know.
Looks like a flower vase or something.
For where? Dressing table?
Call the interior designer now.
What is this, bro?
Is it a printer? Is it a...
No, printer is that. This is printer.
Show. Wait. Oh, this is a printer. Okay.
This is the printer. Bro,
What, is it like a CD player or something? Show me.
VCR? Yeah, bro. It's a DVD player.
Oh my god, major nostalgia.
Yes.
Bro, doesn't it feel amazing to just think that we were alive during the DVD era? Oh, I was alive during the cassette era also. Were you there when cassettes were
I was
there? Kids today will just never know what they missed.
For comfort. Okay, Party Barbie is sitting.
Party Barbie needs a hairdresser. She needs a hair spa, bro.
No, she's still in the hangover mood.
Aren't all the Barbies in damn hangover mood?
Desktop table. But you can work with comfort. Okay, so there is a beach chair, beach Barbie, with one shoe.
Oh no, wait, there is a Lavaris shoe. I know. Okay. So beach Barbie का दूसरा जूता किसी और ने चुराया है.
No, this doesn't go. Wait. Lover's juta is here, which goes with her dress, but the other lover's juta is not being found.
She has to make do with just one shoe for today. Interior designer wants to show refrigerator.
You open the refrigerator, you can keep bottles and everything over here.
What, potholes?
Bottles.
Okay.
There is
What
a
else?
vegetable box.
Vegetable box,
Yes,
okay.
vegetable box. And there is a freezer. Oh god.
That's where your brain froze. That is exactly where it
And
went.
this freezer has glasses. I don't know why. So you can
Because Barbie
freeze
needs nutrition.
in glasses.
Milk?
Frozen milk.
Never mind.
So you can freeze water in the shape of a glass. So if you put the glass outside, it melts and you have cold water. Instant cold water.
Or maybe
Nice.
Barbie just likes Gola, bro.
Leather jacket available, very beautiful pink color, a little discolored over here, but you can dye it again. Available with matching trousers. You can wear it with pink color top. Available only in Barbie size.
Now she's a stylist and a salesman. I'm just looking at these toys and I'm like, what was I? Who was I? But then just think about the effort my parents put, bro. Like they literally went out hunting for these toys and bought every damn room ka setup.
Now it's
I
time.
think it's safe to say my parents are really adorable.
Guys, guess who that? That's she.
Y'all, now I'm a beatboxer. Boots and cats, boots and cats and boots and cats. Now we are unboxing the OG Gangsters X toys. Yo, gangster, show me your face. Let the showcasing begin. I'm still tripping on his obliques though. Work, 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 work. Oh, I think we got this with Happy Meal.
Yeah, both of these. Ninja
Oh, no?
Turtles also ye bhi.
Oh my god, you would spend your whole days with these. पूरे time इसे हाँ.
1, 2,
No talks.
3.
Yes. Yay.
This one went ahead. This is the winner, guys. Out of my whole collection of Hot Wheels, I guess यही दो बचे हैं अभी मेरे प्यारे Hot Wheels.
Survivors. Pikachu. Guys, this is Pikachu. This is also Pikachu. Your relative. I was this. Tuk Tuk was this.
Love the monster trucks. This kid resembles me.
What? Show me face. Bro, this was literally you. So when Tuk Tuk was young,
I had a till mole kind of thing right here.
Yeah, it used to look like this, the horn.
Yeah.
You were a mini rhinoceros. Cute.
And this is your miniature forever.
That's
and ever.
mean. Tux, that's mean.
This is you standing.
It's still very mean, Tuk Tuk.
This is you. Quack quack.
Decide kar lo.
No, this is you. Your miniature.
Guys, this is body shaming. Hashtag body shamer.
No, not body shaming. This is literally you. Just wake up and
Guys, we found Ma's only toy. Matlab, out of all the toys that she had, she saved only this.
Okay, now last but not the least, my favorite.
Your favorite.
Yo. He-Man and the Skeleton. Oh wait. Skeleton.
Tuk Tuk has very clearly not grown up. She's still.
Just look at the shoes, bro. These are just so dope. Look at those. Look at those.
Calm it.
Look at the feet.
सांस ले भाई तू सांस ले.
नहीं.
अनुलोम विलोम कर. इतने एक्साइटमेंट में मर जाएगी तू. अनुलोम विलोम.
I know Vidom Shabd, which is
Shut up.
He-Man का बैटरी कहीं से तो घुसता है. I'm not really sure. Because पापा मम्मी हमेशा घुसा.
अरे एंटी ग्रेविटी नहीं है, गिर जाएगा हीमैन तेरा.
अरे बेल्ट, सीट बेल्ट. That's why
Guys.
you're always supposed to put seat belt. गाड़ी ऐसे उलट जाएगा, नहीं गिरोगे आप.
Whoa, social message. Wear your seat belts, sis.
Okay, So basically, this whatever used to go like
Yeah,
that.
his Vahan.
Yes. Like that. It used to do dhap 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 ऐसे चलता था.
और बेसिकली तेरे जैसे चलता था.
Shut up.
जब टुक टुक घर पे चलती है ग्राउंड फ्लोर तक आवाज जाता है.
That
नीचे
is
से
very much you.
भाई ग्राउंड फ्लोर से
That is very much you.
ग्राउंड फ्लोर से मेरे को कॉल आता है, बेटा कौन सा डायनासोर पाल रहे हो घर पे.
He-Man.
शी वोमेन दिस.
Oh, feminism. Oh, nice. Me like.
ही डिसलाइक यू. यू.
I never liked you, bro.
आउच.
But इसमें बैटरी नहीं है यार.
वर्कआउट किया है. देखो देखो देखो. When was the last time we worked out? Never mind. This.
So this was the doll that Papa gave Mama when they were dating, and this baby had something that they put in the baby's mouth. So if you remove that, this baby used to cry.
Okay,
Yeah.
no, babies don't cry. This hideous.
And if you pressed somewhere here, it used to say, "I love you."
प्यार का तोहफा. पत्ता पत्ता बूटा बूटा.
No, give me some rasam and rice on this, please.
Guys.
Throw you a
What, bro? Alright, guys, vlog खत्म. आज हमने बहुत ही मेहनत वाला स्ट्रेनस काम किया है. What is insane is the fact that after all these years of growing up, of trying to mature, we've not matured. You know, when you see a child, आप उसको देख के guess कर सकते हो कि ये बच्चा बड़ा होके कैसा होने वाला है. But a lot of times, actually most of the times, the children turn out to be absolutely totally different people than what you think they'll grow up into. But unfortunately, it didn't happen for us. Tuk Tuk continues to be the cool dude among us, and of course, way more mature than I ever was or will be. And I continue to be the Tuk Tuk road cross karna hai hath pakad kid. Is it just with us? I don't know. Why are the younger ones always better at everything? Anyway, thank you so much for watching this vlog and take good care of yourselves. घर की सफाई करने जाना है. मम्मी बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा करने वाली है. Bye bye. Love you all. See you all very very soon. What happened?
Skeletor's helmet.
What?
Skeletor's helmet I found. Yo, stop filming.
What the hell, Tuk Tuk?
Come and help me clean this mess.
You woke up and chose violence today. Okay, coming.